Hi everyone, it's me again, going to start a new project. So what I'm going to work on right now is Burda 6990. It's a sweater that I have tried maybe 3 times, and I am going to work on view D, which is the turtleneck. So what I'm going to use with this project is this black knit that I got from my local fabric store. I really don't know the name of the fabric because I really don't pay attention to the fabric when I buy it, but I really liked the little polka dots, and it was $3 a meter, $3 Canadian, and so I thought it would make a really nice sweater for the winter. So I am going to cut this out, and in this video I'm going to show you how I lay my patterns and how I cut my patterns out on my fabric. So here I am with my pieces for view D. View D only requires 4 pieces. Piece number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 to make this sweater. View D, both front and back, are supposed to be cut on the fold. So what I do is I line my patterns up on the fold. My sleeve would be here, and my turtleneck piece will be here. So I am going to pin this out, and then I will begin cutting. Now that I have all my pattern pieces cut out, I just wanted to point out what I do on my patterns. I am a size 14 in the bust, but I'm a size 16 in the hip. So what I do is I cut on the size 14 line and then grade it over to the size 16 in the hip. So let's get to cutting out our pattern pieces. Now I'm going to start cutting out my pieces. So I'm going to start with my sleeve. My sleeve pattern, I do a similar grading. I started off at size 16 on my sleeve and ended up over to a size 14 at the wrist. I also think I need to take it in a little bit more, but I don't cut off on the pattern. I just cut it off on the fabric itself. So I will show you what I do, because I have a very tiny wrist. Actually, I will cut with my rotary cutter. I prefer cutting with my rotary cutter. It's faster. So this is what I do. And my sleeve is cut. By the way, my fabric is on the fold, so both my sleeves are already cut. So now I am going to cut out the rest of the pieces, and we will get to sewing. Personally, I do not like how wide this turtleneck piece is. So what I do is there is a fold line on the pattern. I fold it in half and put my pattern on the fold, And this would be the width of my turtleneck, because personally this is just comfortable for me. The other way, there's just too much bulk on my neck. Now I've had all my pattern pieces cut, and we are going to go to the sewing machine and put these pieces together. I will see you in the next video so we can sew along Burda 6990. See you in the next video.